Okay guys, so I am in my laundry room. This is the shirt done with the DTF and the Inkjet. So I just want to quickly show you. Now there is a little bit of inconsistencies in the color here on this shirt, just because with the Inkjet ink I should have put the powder on it, cured it, put some more powder on it, and then cured it a second time, but I didn't do that with this. So that's why there's a little bit of inconsistency with the color, and I just wanted to show you that before washing. That's what we have, but there is no lifting and we still have the stretch and everything like that. So this is the DTF with the Inkjet ink. I'm gonna throw that right in. And then this is the DTF with the Sublimation ink. Matter of fact, I'm gonna turn this inside out. So I am gonna wash these inside out like that. And then this is the Sublimation with the Sublimation ink. I'm sorry, this is the DTF with the Sublimation ink. If you remember back in our video where we had like the roller marks, the color looks really good, okay? Stretch is really good as well. So this one is with the Sublimation ink. I'm gonna go ahead, turn that inside out as well. And I'm doing one Tide Pod and nothing else, okay? Because the only thing in this washer is the two shirts. Let me show you, just so that y'all believe me. Okay, just the two shirts and one Tide Pod. That's it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and close this. And I'm gonna do a normal wash. So the temperature is going to be warm, the spin is high, and my soil is normal. I don't know if your machine is like this, your washing machine, but if yours isn't as like intricate as mine, then you could just do like warm on a normal cycle. I'm not adding any bleach or anything like that, just the one Tide Pod on a normal cycle. And then I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I will come back and we'll check it when it's done before we put it in the dryer. All right, so it is ready. Okay, this is the not Sublimation, the DTF with the Inkjet. Okay, so this is so far the DTF with the Inkjet. There's no lifting. It looks like we still have the same color on it that was there before. Okay, so I'm going to turn that back inside out, and it's going to go into my dryer. Nothing else is in the dryer. And then this is the one with the Sublimation. Same thing, that looks really good still. And it's all wrinkly because it's wet, it's still wet. Okay, so this is what we have so far. No lifting, no nothing. Okay, so I'm going to turn this inside out as well. I'm going to throw it into the dryer. I'm going to do one dryer sheet. And then the settings I'm going to do are going to be low temperature heat. So it's not going to be completely heatless, but it's going to be a low temperature on a normal dry. And I'm going to go ahead and press start. Once it's all done, we're going to take a look at it again and see how it looks. Alright guys, so the shirts are done. They are nice and dry now. This is the first one, which was the DTF with the Inkjet. Okay, this is the Inkjet. This is how it turned out. I don't feel like it got any lighter, and there's definitely not any lifting on it whatsoever, and it still has a stretch ability. Y'all, I'm at home. because I had to do a wash test. So if y'all hear my children's, but this is how it looks. It's just that the color is a little, like I said, faded because with the inkjet, I think what I needed to do was you coat it with the powder, cure it, and then coat it again, and then cure it again. That's why the ink came up like that with the inkjet specifically. This is the Sublimation, and that still looks good. Okay, there's no lifting or anything like that. Sorry guys, I'm trying to make it quick here. There's no lifting or anything like that. The color looks absolutely amazing still. But this is the Sublimation with the DTF after the wash and the dry. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely appreciate it. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully I answered any questions that you had in regards to the wash test. I know y'all hear my microwave beeping in the background. So I'm about to go ahead and jump off of here. All right, until next time. Bye, guys.